And good, huh, pigs? They've been doing good. Getting big. Mm-hmm. This one finally figured out about the mud bath. As you can see, she's doing good, but go ahead, take you along with me this morning. Just kind of do our morning chores and take y'all along with me, check on the garden, and thanks for coming and stopping by. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, smash that like button. Let's go on, head on to our chores. Give them their greens. Good morning, ladies. Morning, chubs. Mornings. Y'all think I got food, huh? Y'all think I got food. Morning. Ooh. Y'all ladies are getting big. Yeah. This is Rocky. This is the friendliest one we have. And you walk in, she just walks right up. She's upset though because I don't have any food for her. Still a little wet from yesterday. I just want to try to get the water down. Squash ended up coming back, making a comeback. We got our first flower on this squash over here. First one. First one on the yellow summer squash. Now we just need these ones to pop up. I got another raised bed over there that I'm getting ready to get done today. Got 2 eggplant that are going in there. So that's it for this morning. Just water the garden, water and feed the pigs, let the chickens out, let them do their thing. Chickens are real easy. I mean, you literally just make sure they have water, keep their feed full, open it in the morning to let them out, and close it at night when they go in. I mean, they're really easy, really easy. So highly recommend chickens, man. They're simple, very simple. Hoping to get some eggs from them within probably 2 months. August, I might get lucky. July, we might get some, but it's most likely going to be August before we start getting some eggs. So excited for that. But go ahead and go back over and show you guys a little bit of the pigs on our way out. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see y'all later.